all the money that you have comes only from your sweat, that can limit your growth. Some people don't even have the privilege of getting that extra help or surprise gifts. They practically have to grind day and night for everything that they own. Hard work is very important, but working smarter can actually break that cycle. So with as little as 5,000 naira, you can actually start today to make your money work for you even while you sleep. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step how you can start investing in mutual funds even as a complete beginner. Now, if you're brand new to investing or you have dipped your toes a little inside, but you still feel unsure, this video is going to help you clarify all your doubts and your pending questions. You can even leave them for me down in the comment section. Hello besties, you're welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. I am Philomena Ogiroba, your personal finance bestie, helping you build wealth one smart money move at a time. You know how friends, neighbors, co-workers come together to contribute money to buy a whole cow. Now, if the cow is probably 1 million naira, then 50 of you come together to contribute 20,000 naira each to get that cow, or there are 20 of you and then you put 50,000 naira together to buy that same cow. That is exactly how mutual funds work. By pooling money, you cannot afford something that none of you could easily buy, and you can still get your portion. So in mutual funds, see that cow as an investment that is too expensive for you to buy on your own. So instead of struggling alone, you pool resources together with other investors. Each of you contributes a portion into that basket, which a professional manager then takes the pool of money and buys investments on the behalf of everyone. At the end, just like the sharing of the cow, you all partake in the profits or in the losses. It is simply a way of accessing bigger opportunities without needing a fortune upfront. Now we have different types of mutual funds. We have the money market funds. These invest in treasury bills, commercial papers, basically short-term instruments. One notable thing about money market fund is that it is low risk. So if you are a beginner and you're thinking, okay, which is actually best for me, and you're just testing the waters, I will highly recommend the money market fund. Okay, so you can actually start with this one before you get into other asset classes. You are sure not to lose your capital. So if you're starting with your 5,000 naira, be rest assured that your capital is never going below that. So no matter what happens, you are sure to get back your capital. And then there is easy withdrawal. We also have the equity funds. Now, equity simply means ownership. When you buy equity in something like a company, you are buying a piece of it. Equity mutual funds mainly invest in company shares. So when you buy an equity mutual fund, you are buying indirectly into the company, and then you are now a co-owner of that company. You own a share, that is a bit of that company. Now you have to note that this is high risk but more rewarding, because your stocks can actually go up and then the profit is a lot to be shared among the shareholders. But also note that these companies can actually suffer losses, and just like you share the profit, you will equally share in the losses. You have to know that this is more volatile, but if you are looking at a long-term investment, then you can consider the equity funds. Also, we have the fixed income funds. Now, when we talk about fixed income, these are invested into corporate and government bonds. Investing in the fixed income fund means that you're going for the moderate risk, because the asset managers invest into the government and the corporate bonds. Then we have the balanced funds, just like it sounds, balanced. It is a mix of bonds and stocks, so it is kind of balanced. And if you are looking at growth and moderate risk, then you want to invest in the balanced funds. Now that we have gone over the different classes of assets, we have talked about the money market funds, the equity funds, the fixed income funds, and the balance funds. Let's get into the exciting part, how to actually start investing. The first thing you want to do is to choose a reputable fund manager regulated by the Security Exchange Commission, the SEC. The very popular ones in no order of preference, we have the Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, AROM, FBN Quest, Meristem, and United Capital Asset Management. You can equally use Cowrywise and Optimus by Afrinvest. You have to know that you cannot just pick the first fund you see. You have to check their historical performance. Say for 1 year to 5 years. Now, not because the past performance will guarantee the future, but because it is actually going to show some form of consistency, right? So if for the past 5 years they have been consistent and yielding profits, okay, that can actually put your mind to rest and say, okay, these people have had like a track record, and so I can actually give them my money. Do you understand? You want to equally check the fine lines. What are their management fees? These asset managers are going to be managing your money for a token. So you want to check the fees and then look at the liquidity. How fast can you redeem your funds? Because while some will actually allow you to withdraw quickly, others will need a notice period. And when you have checked all of these parameters and you have decided on the asset manager, then you want to open an account and fill out your KYC, because they are going to be requesting for your name, your BVN, your ID card. Yes, I know these are very vital information and you were scared. No, you don't have to be scared. As long as they are regulated by the Security Exchange Commission, your information is actually very safe with them. Thereafter, you fund your account by making a transfer from your regular bank account. You make a purchase, and while you do this, you're going to get a confirmation email. And from your dashboard, you can now track your returns and see how well your money is performing. And you are now officially an investor. Remember to treat your first investment, whether you're doing it with just 5,000 naira, as your learning stage. Don't stop there. Reinvest your earnings and make sure to top it at least every month. Even with as low as 2,000 naira, you can actually top up your investment and see the wonders of compound interest. Because by the time you keep reinvesting your earnings and then your interest keeps yielding interest, wow, before you know it, you're going to be amazed at what compound interest does to your money. Remember, in all of this, consistency is key. So don't just start and just abandon the process. No, consistency is very key if you're serious about multiplying your money and just allowing your money work for you. Trust me, there are monies that you spend every month that you probably shouldn't have on things that are actually irrelevant. But you can just take out like 5,000 naira, 2,000 naira and invest it monthly. You will be amazed, like I said before, at what compound interest will do to your money. Start small, stay patient, and think long term. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, the Feel First Community, because on this channel, I bring you business ideas, financial tips, investment videos like this. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with someone today you know is going to be happy to see this type of content. You know that you want somebody to equally improve in their finances, to make their money work for them, then share this video with them today. Thank you so much for your time here. I really do appreciate you. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. I will do well to reply your comments. And there are other people who will equally see your comments, learn from them, and even answer some of your questions. Thank you very much, my amazing family. And check out this video where I talked about how to invest in the stock market. You're going to be amazed by this video.